Today my dad and I are going to make a birdhouse, and you can find a lot of plans online on how to make it, but we're going to make our own. Let's get started. You can use any other material, but in our case we're going to use plywood that you can find at Home Depot. So let's get started and put our safety goggles on. Now that we have the walls, it's time for the roof and base. And this birdhouse is going to have a removable floor, and we'll show you how it works later. Stack them on top of each other so it was layered. And finally, let's drill the hole. During the hot summer days, the birdhouse can get really hot, so that's why we made these little holes so the hot air could vent out. And also, this is what we meant by the false bottom. You could just push it in, and you could take whatever you need out, like you could clean it, and it could support the weight of the eggs. And this is how it turned out. The front, the side, the back, and the other side. Let's go hang it up in the tree, and thanks for watching. Today, no, okay. What?
Sure.
Okay, balls up. Piss off. Oh wait, it's gonna live in here. I forgot. You're welcome.
Cool.
This birdhouse is gonna have a, what's it called? Start it up. Let's start it up. We cut these pieces of wood. And then you could just take it out. During the hot summer days, it gets really hot. Okay, wait.